morning. This is Montelle on the road in Banff, Alberta. Just got her big sunglasses on today, as you can see. This place was absolutely incredible. Magical little town. I had quite the adventure here yesterday, staying at the hostel with all those boys. And then I'm partying for St. Patrick's Day. It was fantastic. And now I'm heading finally to my ginger spirit wife in Vancouver. I will be there in approximately 16 hours. Can't wait. Density, watch out. Need a preview. Just ask the poor people of this town what happened to them last night. This girl, this town will never be the same. Montelle did her magic. Love you folks. Bye.